Watch till the end to get the full recipe. Hey, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you won't be stressed about what to cook and have one less thing to worry about. What's the tea? Tell me what's the tea. What's the tea? Tell me what's the tea. What up, though, my bosses and bossettes? For those of you who know me, hey, y'all. For those of you who do not know me, I am Sheeta, and I hope you're ready to eat your screen. Okay, a tart pan is ideal for this recipe, but you can use a pie pan. So all you're gonna need for this recipe is some berries. I have strawberries and blueberries, some softened cream cheese, some sugar, some almonds, some butter, a stick of butter softened, some graham crackers, some Cool Whip, and some almond extract or almond flavoring. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is grind up your almonds. So I have this little Ninja food processor that I use. If you don't have one of these, put your almonds in a plastic bag and just beat on them with a hammer or a rolling pin. You're gonna grind those up very, very finely. Get a mixing bowl and pour them in. Next, go ahead and get your graham crackers. I'm gonna use about 10 total, but 5 at a time, and just crush those up really good. Go ahead and repeat that process. So you're basically going to need 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs and 1 cup of almond crumbs for the crust. Then you're going to take your 2 sticks of butter, put it in the microwave, melt it down less than a minute, and go ahead and stir that in really, really, really good. This is going to make your almond graham cracker butter crust. Go ahead and spray your tart pan. You're going to need a tart pan with the sides that can be removed as you press the bottom up. You're going to go ahead and take your crust mixture and just put that in the pan. And you're gonna mash that down evenly all the way until you get a nice even crust from end to end. You're going to want to make sure you fill up the sides too of the pan. After that, go ahead and put it in the refrigerator and chill it until you make your filling. Okay, take your softened cream cheese and take your Cool Whip. Add your sugar, just about 4 tablespoons or less. Then you're going to add a few drops of almond flavoring. Then you're gonna stir that. It's best to use a mixer. I don't have a mixer, so I just have to stir with all my elbow grease and might. I have my whisk here, and I'm gonna just whisk it as much as I can. You want to get all the lumps out. Then you're going to pour your filling right onto your crust, and then you're going to just smooth that out all the way from end to end. Make sure you're not too rough because you don't want your crust to mix in with your filling. So just be a little gentle. Okay, next you're going to go ahead and add your berries. You can add them in any arrangement that you like. I usually do 1 layer of strawberries, then 1 layer of blueberries, and so on and so forth. But you can put them in any design or placement that you like. After that, you are going to take some plastic wrap, put it over your tart, and you're going to just put it in the refrigerator. I usually overnight it, but you want to just chill it and for at least about an hour until you serve it. Okay, so this is the next morning. And then you're going to push the bottom of the pan out so the sides can come off, and you'll just have your tart on top of the pan. And so you see the crust and everything. And there you have it, my easy, no bake, berry summertime tart. Eat your screen.
For all the infidels, non-believers, fuck y'all. Taking this shit to higher grounds, nigga. Where's it go?